We know you're the proud owner of a 2010 or newer Dodge Ram pickup truck. We also know you're the proud owner of a DualLiner, real truck bed protection system. Let's get started with the installation process in 4 easy steps. For the Dodge Ram trucks, there's no tools required for the install of the actual bed. Let's start with step 1, install the load guard. Make sure you get behind the factory tie down to the front and underneath the rail cap. Snap in place. For step 2, you'll need to grab the install pack that came in your DualLiner bedliner box. Let's install the sidewall. Start by having it underneath the rail, snaps in place. Grab the push pins from your install pack and secure it to the load guard panel. Repeat on the other side. For models that come with factory LED light options, we do have a bedliner that is pre-trimmed in the rear panel. Step 3, install the heavy-duty 3/8 inch thick ZeroSkid Rubber Floor. Notice the nubs on the underneath. This allows for airflow and drainage, which means it won't trap water. Here's the dual technology. The rubber floor snaps in the channel at the bottom of the sidewalls. Custom fit hard dent protection. ZeroSkid cargo protection. Now keep in mind that this rubber mat has been rolled in the box and it may take a while to set. Final step, step 4, install the tailgate panel using factory hardware. Go into your toolbox, grab a T30 bit and a hand tool. Align the tailgate panel so that the factory bolt holes and the holes pre-drilled in the panel align. Grab the factory hardware and the nylon spacer provided by DualLiner and reattach the panel. Start by finger tightening and use a hand tool so that you don't strip the bolts. Also included in our install pack is double-sided tape and rust preventative gel, should you want to use those for any additional security points. That's it. Thanks to the custom fit sidewalls, you've got dent protection, heavy-duty ZeroSkid rubber floor for cargo protection. Your truck is now protected for a lifetime. Make sure to visit DualLiner.com and register your lifetime warranty. Now that you've experienced how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they too can own the only bedliner that works. And send us your photos and videos. We'd love to hear about your experience at DualLiner.com, on social media, and YouTube. And thank you for supporting an American-made product.